Yeah, if you look at the statement that ECB made last year, they said they wanted to get the ECB balance sheet up to about 3 trillion euros. Today they are at about 2.15 trillion euros. So you have a gap of about 850 billion euros. They have announced purchases for asset-backed securities and covered bonds. My sense is those numbers will add up to about 250 billion, not more than that. That leaves a gap of about 500 to 600 billion euros for next year. So the market is pretty much calculating that number based on it. Uh, where he can surprise on the upside, uh, that will depend upon what structure he announces. For example, if he goes and says that all the debt is going to be mutualized by ECB, that is going to be a positive surprise because of late, the media is talking about the local central banks being made to buy domestic government bonds. So that could be a surprise. Making an open-ended commitment to keep doing more QE, should they not achieve their inflation objective, that could be another surprise. And finally, if they go out and announce a more aggressive purchase of corporate loans from the market, now nobody is factoring that in at this point in time. To my mind, that is the real issue. Interest rates are very low in Europe already. So if they go out and develop some mechanism of converting some of the bad loans into ABSs and buy them off, I think that could be a very significant positive surprise. Well, I think there is not a great deal of room for negative surprise, frankly. I think the numbers have been circulated in the media. If they come out and say they're going to do 30, 40 billion euros per month, that is going to be a negative surprise. But I think they're playing it well. They're setting expectations ahead of the actual event so that the market is well aligned to it. But of course, if they go out and say that they still need some additional approval, so they're going to monitor it month on month, and then they could withdraw the amount sooner than what the market thinks, that's going to be a negative surprise. But I don't think they're going to do that.